Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to stop TikTok from saving videos to device. So just like me, there are loads of people that don't like to save videos to their devices. It's Sometimes it's automatically saved to the device, and that thing is annoying. So, for example, you can find a bad TikTok video on your device, and once you want to show your family or someone that you respect something on your device, it's appear to you, and yeah, that's a problem. So, how to stop TikTok from saving these videos? What I want to do is to go into your profile, alright, and after that I want you to head over into this three horizontal lines on the top right corner, tap on them. Okay, and right here what I want you to do is to go to the last option here in the bottom of these options, settings and privacy, tap on it. And right here what I want to do is to go into privacy on the account section, tap on it. So once you are on privacy, I want you to scroll down until you can see downloads right here. Okay, so just by tapping on downloads, there is only one option right here, is the video downloads. So what I want to do right here is to toggle it off. So now it's on. Alright, so just by tapping right here, it will be turned into off, and from now on, the videos will not be downloaded or saving to my device. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching and goodbye.